People make assumptions about me as a fat man. I consider myself to be a failure in some respects. For me, food is more than nutrition. It's a way of receiving love when people cook for me, and it's a way of me showing love when I cook for them. Curtailing my diet is in a way curtailing the emotional support that I get and that I give. And that's why dieting is always so difficult for me. Underneath that is a disappointment in myself that I ever allowed myself to get so big, and that there's an underlying sadness about my story. Well, my endocrinologist who was treating my diabetes said that he was concerned about putting me on insulin because people on insulin pick up weight. So in July 2011, weighing 153 kilos, the only option I felt I had was to have the bariatric surgery. I managed to lose my weight following a low-carb banting diet. It was only when I heard Tim Noakes being interviewed on the radio and talking about the danger of carbohydrates, especially if one is diabetic, that I thought, well, let me not have the oats porridge I was having for breakfast, and let me rather have eggs for breakfast. And to my amazement, my weight loss just increased. And it seemed easier, and I wasn't hungry as I always was before. I never expected I'd feel as incredibly well and vital and energetic and energized as I do. To feel that I have the energy to climb a mountain or going on a mountain bike somewhere. Yeah, I haven't forgotten what it was like being 153 kilos. And I haven't forgotten the hurt and the pain that I had caused myself, and also people who love me. If I'm entertaining, and I do often, I'm going to have 600 grams of fillet, and I'm going to eat delicious full-fat cheeses, and I'm going to have cream in my coffee, and that doesn't impact my weight, providing I keep my carbs below 20 or 30 grams a day. I started saying that food is about receiving love and giving love, and I still believe that. So I feel like I've really been given a second chance, and that's absolutely linked to banting. That's really saved my life.